Hello students, I'm Changlu Phương Nam, lecturer at Language Institute, Văn Lang University. Welcome to the lesson today. In this video, I'm going to teach you the grammar in Unit 2, Pathways 1, Listening and Speaking book. Are you ready to join the lesson today? Let's get started. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to use some verbs that go with infinitives and verb noun collocations in the book. Also, you will be able to remember forms and usage of some verbs that go with infinitives and verb noun collocations. I have a question for you. What do you want to be in the future? So you might say, I want to be a scientist. In this sentence, want is the verb, and to be is infinitive. It means to plus base verb. Okay, so let's look at some verbs that go with infinitives. The first verb is want and to become. So you can say, he wants to become a good doctor in the future. The next verb is plan. So you can say, Chan plans to work as a lawyer after she finishes her studies. The next verb is need. For example, to be an actor, you need to learn how to act. Okay, let's look at this verb, hope. So we have a sentence like, she hopes to become famous after the singing contest. Let's move to verb noun collocations. Now let's look at this sentence. He goes to flight school because he wants to become a pilot. In this sentence, go is a verb, and flight school is noun, or we say noun phrase. So collocations are words that go together in phrases. It's a good idea to learn collocations as set phrases. Now let's look at the first verb noun collocation. We have go to college or to university. So we may say, my friend wants to be a pilot, so she plans to go to college and study aviation. Let's look at another verb noun collocation. We have take, a class, or a vacation. For example, I hope to be a circus performer in Mexico, so I plan to take a class in Spanish. The next verb noun collocation is finish and school or college. For example, after she finishes college, my sister wants to work in a Korean company. The next verb noun collocation is learn and a language or the piano. So you might say, Sean learns English every day because she wants to work overseas. Okay, let's look at the next verb noun collocation. We have study and math or French. So you might say, she studied French when she was in Paris. Now, let's do some exercises to practice the grammar. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences from 1 to 7 with the correct form of the verbs. You need to use each set of the verbs only once. So you can pause the video and do the exercise. And now is the answer keys. Now let's look at exercise number 2. You need to circle the nouns or noun phrases that collocate with the verbs. You can pause the video to do the exercise. And here is the answer key. I hope you have the correct answers. Alright, let's do another practice to help you better understand the grammar points. Now, write at least 6 sentences to describe your plans and dreams for the future using plan, need, hope, want plus infinitives, and verb noun collocations. Now, you can see the following questions to help you do the exercise. Question number 1. What are your dreams or plans for the future? Number 2. What do you need to do to achieve your dreams or plans? For example, I hope to travel around the world after I finish college. Or, I plan to get a part-time job because I need to save a lot of money. You can pause the video to do the practice. And here are some possible answers for you. I hope that you have the correct answers. And that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.